Kotomatu puruch kanalolo itungana tarakwapsina ikere keselele balaro na ipugaikin bon ko kololo Kampala. Kanwasese na Esiboikin oke Bishop Moses Odongo kope Archbishop la petetanu imulokole ne kere anatari Uganda.
An organization which is called the Global Prayer Train. The Lord revealed to us that he was going to raise a liberator in the heart of Africa. We understood that Uganda was the place.
Odongo ngeseli pitunga kere murkikina ilipanakini ngesi kotoma orotokelo itetet.
Alipo ngesa ajakiri kerengo akarine nebepe one anona dukun kanisa la Kristo. Otomo moyo doto maswamisure na kaninda ayawn bidumnoni itaja sikiri to makanino.
Epejonon langosbi President Yoweri Museveni ngeso buituri mulokolen lukwana roko sea swamsine kia kola Yesu Kristo. Nwali monokine ijiri iswamaite ido isinyiko ikirosi tunga iman kwenye meraili koma miswamaite.
What I know about Jesus, he had his work, his mission had 4 dimensions. First, he preached the gospel. Secondly, he healed the sick. Thirdly, he fed the hungry. You remember the 5,000. And finally, he himself worked in the carpentry of Joseph. He worked himself. So these people so I'm glad you are waking up, you are coming to that line. And the United States.
Museveni ngeso buisumuni kaigang Bishop Suli mulokolen keda traktan anoisi pedor kesia koru na itabari.
The tractors. I have no problem. I've got some tractors. I can share a few with you. And tomorrow I can meet the Archbishop in Entebbe, the new Archbishop with the delegation from South Africa, the one you talked about. So my office organized it. Then we can talk about out sharing the few tractors. Thank you. God bless you.
Bishop Odongo ngesera unete sotlo sodite guoke cholong lokalaonan la Apolokit Apetekoti Apetekoti na rebo Pentecostal sanatari Uganda kere ida buroki kwa nangesi Bishop Joshua Luere. Kanuka TV East, Noah Omuya, ko Kampala.